Welcome back to another monthly workshop walk around. Okay, so show you what I've been doing on the Oval to start with. Just start stripping back to bare metal. Used paint stripper on the roof, which didn't work particularly well. Got the repaint off, but not the original paint. So we've done the rear quarter and the front quarter so far, and they're quite nice. We have need repairs on the bottom, but not terrible at all. We'll start on the roof this afternoon. And then Sean's front quarter is bought. We'll be collecting that at Staffordshire at the weekend, so we'll be able to get back onto that. What else have we been up to? Got the Mk4 R32 Golf in, which we've done some paintwork on. This is a real nice low mileage car. It's all around the handle itself and all around the handle had corroded, so we stripped the handle out, took all the badges off the back and sorted the rust out, repainted the rear hatch, and did the same with the roof. So there's rust bubbling up on the roof and the quarter panel. We cleaned it all out down the channel under the sill and painted the roof and the quarter. Yeah, it's a nice car. This is the chassis from Charlie's 58, which we've just got the pans out of, and that's ready to go to the blasters. Linda's 1302 is all finished now. We'll be on our trade stand at Stamford Hall at the weekend, and then we'll be driving it back to Surrey the following week to give it back to Linda. And she'll be enjoying driving that round through the summer. This is Nat's Beetle that's come in for some mechanical work. Raised the front suspension for her. All new fuel lines and a service and tune. Just waiting for a couple of parts to get that finished off. That's good to go. And then this is Rob's early bay, and we've done the same on this. Full service and fuel lines, tune, engine mounts, a couple of bits and bobs. Just ordered a steering box, a rebuilt steering box from Schofield's a couple of days ago. That should be coming today. So once that's here, we can get that fitted, and I think that's good to go as well then. So yeah, that's what we've got on at the minute. Bit of everything really, bit of pipe work, bit of metal work, bit of mechanical work. So yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one.